Welcome to COIT, your natural stone care experts. We know that your natural stone surfaces are an important asset and feature of your home or office that you'll want to protect. Proper care of your stone surfaces can help enhance and preserve their natural beauty. You don't want to trust them to just anyone. COIT's highly trained specialists understand the unique characteristics of natural stone and how to apply the proper methods for cleaning, restoring, refinishing, and protecting all types of natural stone surfaces. It takes trained professionals like COIT to be able to safely clean, repair, and revitalize your natural stone surfaces. Our technicians use a specialized combination of compounds, cleaning agents, and, if suitable for your type of stone surface, we can use our diamond polishing pad to gently and effectively hone the stone surface to remove scratches, wear marks, and areas dulled by use. Finally, our specialized sealant is applied to protect the natural stone surface from moisture and future staining and preserve the finished look longer. Specialized enhancers can also be used to enrich the surface characteristics or color of the stone. All of our cleaning products and sealers are custom formulated to COIT specifications, so you know you're getting the best. Our technicians can restore and revitalize virtually any type of stone flooring, countertops, patios, walls, anywhere natural stone is used. So why trust COIT to clean, repair, and revitalize your natural stone surfaces? COIT's technicians are highly trained specialists, plus all of our services are backed by our industry-leading guarantee. You can trust COIT to provide the care, professionalism, and superior products you've come to expect. Good people, great service, guaranteed results. That's the COIT Clean Promise. Call us today at this number, 1-800-4COIT, or enter your postal code here to schedule an appointment today.